Witness the pinnacle of engineering. Prepare to be amazed by the incredible feats of these mechanical marvels. From the precision of a tree felling to the daring defiance of gravity, these machines showcase the brilliance of human ingenuity. Let's get this engineering extravaganza rolling. You know, cutting down a tree isn't as simple as just revving up a chainsaw and going at it. It's a skill, a craft, really, that you build over time, with every single cut. Sure, at first, you might make a few mistakes. Maybe the angle's wrong, or the tree doesn't fall quite where you want it to. But here's the thing, those mistakes? They're gold, pure gold. Handling massive amounts of scrap metal in a busy port can be a real headache. You need a machine that's tough, reliable, and versatile. That's where the Senebogen 875E crawler comes in. Its sturdy crawler tracks keep it steady, even on uneven ground. And with customizable booms and grapples, it can handle a wide range of materials and tasks. 4 mid-river terminals, that means increased efficiency and less downtime, a winning combination. Wow! Check out that arm on the WA450LL. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, reaching out and grabbing those giant logs like it's no big deal. It's seriously awesome. But you know what? Even this beast of a machine has its moments where it struggles. And that's when you really appreciate just how strong nature is. It's like nature's power puts even the toughest machines to the test, reminding us that no matter how advanced we get, there's always a challenge waiting out there. Ever seen an excavator wrestle a tree? These guys decided to skip the chainsaw entirely and throw this beast into the ring. It's like they're saying, can this machine do it all? Let's find out. And honestly, it's mesmerizing. You're just glued to the action, watching this massive machine grip, yank, and twist as if it's auditioning for the Forestry Olympics. Sure, there's probably an easier way. Okay, so here's the deal. We've got a logger who's clearly a pro. The guy's got skills for days and enough experience to fill a whole forest with stories. But today? Oh man, luck just isn't showing up for him. You ever have one of those days where no matter how good you are, things just keep going sideways? That's what's happening here, and let me tell you, it's getting real sketchy. Makes you wonder, at what point do you back off and call it a day before pushing your luck turns into a full-blown disaster? Stay tuned, because this is about to get intense. Alright folks, gather around, you've got to check out this awesome invention. This lady is the kind of thing that makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. Whether you're in the workshop, out in the field, or tackling some DIY project at home, I guarantee some of you are going to see this and think, it's clever, it's practical, and honestly, it's the kind of tool that feels like a game changer the second you see it in action. You're going to want to get your hands on this like yesterday. This beast of a machine is a wood splitter, but not just any splitter, it's the type that eats logs for breakfast and doesn't even break a sweat. It's built to handle logs up to a whopping 1200 mm in length. It's hydraulic powered, which means it's got the muscle to crack open even the gnarliest, not filled wood like it's a walnut. So whether you're prepping for winter or running a lumber business, the Toppler Major Holes 1200 is your no-nonsense partner. It's not just splitting wood, it's redefining how it's done. Experienced foresters are the best people to deal with fallen trees. They know how wood behaves and how to stay safe while working. It's important to respect the power of nature, but also to use careful skills to handle the situation. Alright folks, let me introduce you to the Track Artilio ST130 Complete. Ain't no ordinary sawmill, this baby is built for some serious work. We're talking a 300 mm blade and a 168 mm rim, perfect for handling massive logs like a pro. The electric guide saw ensures every cut is as smooth and precise as it gets, while the hydraulic lift makes lifting those big boys a breeze. And don't even get me started on the EOS 700 carriage with its hydraulic clamps and movable battens. Loading and adjusting? No problem at all. This sawmill is a true workhorse, plain and simple. The FAE Patrizio 200 forestry mulcher is a game changer for land clearing. Featuring bite limiter rotor technology and carbide hammers, this machine takes efficiency to the next level. It handles tough vegetation up to 15 cm in diameter with ease. The adjustable skids and counterblades ensure fine mulching for a neat finish, while the hydraulic hood offers versatility in operation. With a heat-treated tooth holder, equipped with mini BL blades and mini C3 teeth, this mulcher delivers the perfect balance of precision and power, making land clearing smoother and faster than ever before. It's an unstoppable force in the field. A tree falling on an electric cable is a dangerous situation that can cause power outages, electrocution, and fire hazards. It occurs when a tree or its branches fall onto or come into contact with overhead power lines.
Ήταν αυτό, ρε.
Did you know about the SP8018 grinder? It's mind-blowing. This machine can take down massive tree stumps that are usually a huge pain to deal with and turn them into useful biomass material. It's crazy how it can handle stumps up to 155 cm in diameter. Makes you wonder how they even designed something so powerful. Imagine a giant spiderweb of cables and pulleys stretched across a steep hillside. At the center is a powerful machine, which acts like the spider, pulling logs uphill towards it. This is high-lead logging. It's a clever way to harvest trees on really tough slopes where regular trucks can't easily reach. By bringing all the logs to a central spot, they can work efficiently and cause less damage to the environment. This oak tree is a monster. It's about 30 feet long and the trunk is over 4 feet thick. When you don't have the right tools to move something this big, you have to get creative. This guy is using a U914 and a C360, which is a clever idea. But honestly, I think he should add some weight to the front of the C360. It would save fuel and give it more pulling power. Hey everyone, let's get down to business. This P58W saw miller is a real game changer for our industry. We're talking about a machine that can handle massive logs, up to 25 feet long and nearly 17 inches thick. This kind of power means we can produce a lot more, potentially 30 to 35 cubic meters of lumber every single day. That's a huge increase in how much we can get done. Let's talk about the Ponce Ergo, a true game changer in the logging world. This machine doesn't just cut trees, it redefines how the job gets done. At its heart is a beastly 268 horsepower Mercedes engine, giving it the muscle to power through even the toughest terrains. And with its 8-wheel drive, it's like the mountain goat of forestry machines. Stability, traction, and agility all rolled into one. If you're a logger who doesn't settle for anything less than top-tier performance, the Ponce Ergo is your dream machine. This video shows a great way to remove a tree stump and improve your soil at the same time. An excavator quickly removes the stump, and then the wood ash is mixed into the ground. This ash acts as a natural fertilizer, adding nutrients to the soil and helping to balance its pH levels. It's a smart and efficient way to get rid of a stump and enhance your garden. Alright, check this out. This wild contraption is the brainchild of an old-school farmer from Darren, New South Wales, Australia. And he claims this beast can haul in 100 tons of produce a day. Whether that number's legit or just a bit of farmer's pride, you've got to hand it to him. This machine is next-level ingenuity. It's 1 part engineering, 1 part sheer determination, and 100% awesome. Built to handle serious volume, it's proof that sometimes the best solutions come from folks who know the land like the back of their hand. When it comes to tackling huge amounts of waste, the Comptech Crambo 6000 is a real powerhouse. Its Caterpillar C18 engine boasts a whopping 600 horsepower, giving it the muscle to effortlessly shred through even the toughest materials. That's the Crambo's dual-shaft shredding system in action. It can handle anything from garden clippings to construction rubble without breaking a sweat. And the best part? You can adjust how big or small you want the shredded pieces to be, making it incredibly versatile for all sorts of recycling needs. I'm speechless. This might be the most expensive Christmas tree in the world. The battle of wills with a stubborn tree, classic. Let's break it down. Clearing an overgrown lot is no small task, especially when you're staring down a jungle of trees that seem to have a personality of their own. You gear up with your trusty chainsaw, ready to tame the wilderness, but then boom, you meet that tree. But no, this guy has other ideas. It's like it's saying, I've been here for decades, and I'm not going down without a fight. The Timberwolf TW7 is a powerful and efficient log splitter designed to make quick work of even the toughest firewood. It features a hydraulic system that can generate up to 28 tons of splitting force, allowing you to easily split large logs into smaller, more manageable pieces. The TW7 also has a convenient log lift that helps you load heavy logs onto the splitting wedge. With its rugged construction and user-friendly design, the Timberwolf TW7 is a great choice for anyone who needs to split a lot of firewood. It suggests that Ohio drivers can be reckless and aggressive, especially when facing traffic delays or obstacles. This video humorously exaggerates their driving behavior by comparing their cars to tanks. If you're not sure how to properly trim a tree, it's always best to leave it to the professionals. They have the experience and knowledge to do the job right. And if you want to experience more of this auditory adventure, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.